Here at Orem Computer Repair and Data Recovery, we can handle a large variety of repair services, including getting your computer running fast again. We also can handle all your data recovery needs. If you've lost those important images, or videos, or files or documents, we can help recover those. Computer problems can be very frustrating. You're in the middle of trying to do something and your computer freezes, or crashes, or won't turn on. You keep trying to reset it, you've tried everything you can think of to try to get it to work again, and you're just so frustrated you can't handle it anymore. We will thoroughly inspect your computer system, including the hard drive, and find lost, recoverable data, images, videos, and files. We can also help upgrade your computer so it runs fast again, and find any problematic areas. Our highly skilled computer repair specialist will thoroughly diagnose your computer for any kind of problems. We can help clean up your hard drive, find problems, repair hardware, and get you back on your feet again. When you're ready to get your computer running fast and function properly again, give us a call. We can handle all your computer repair needs and data recovery services. Thank you.